everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sheree here. I hope you all had a great week so far. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour of my bedroom because this video was highly requested. I got 42 votes for this room tour video on my Instagram story, so you guys requested it, so here it is, and I hope you enjoy this room tour. And if you want me to do any other videos, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be linking all my social medias and search box down below. And I hope you enjoy this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment, like, check out all my other videos, and I'll see you guys later tonight for a new video. Bye! So this is my desk where I put my makeup bag, my brushes, my jewelry box, pencil case, glass case, rings, iPhone box, my books, my magazines, all my school books and stuff, my pens, my diary, my glass case, my earphones, and that's basically my desk. And the next thing, this is a bit messy, this is where I put my radio, my diary, tissues, my lamp, my phone, my landline phone, and I have these drawers where I put my clothes in, and this is just another thing where I put all my things. Like there's photos of me, there's my photo of me, and photo from my board, and from me and my family, and it's a board game, and this is my bookcase with all of the books, but the top two shelves are my sister's books, and the bottom three are my cases where I put my books and all my DVDs and books and magazines and stuff, and baking books and books just in general. And this is my posters, where I have my Taylor Swift calendar, my Taylor Swift poster, my Ariana Grande poster, my Jennifer Lawrence poster, these fashion posters, and this Lord poster. And I also have this Harry Potter poster. And this is my bed. Well, we're obviously gonna sleep. I put some clothes here and my Hello Kitty blanket. And this part is really messy. I'll show you my wardrobe. This is my suitcase for when I'm going away. I'll show you guys my wardrobe. This is my wardrobe where I put all my clothes in, and it's a bit of a mess, it's really hard to see. And this is another Taylor Swift poster, and there's just some drawers and all my bags and stuff. And that's basically a tour of my room. So that's the end of the video. Hey guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video of the tour of my bedroom, my room, 2018. Hope you enjoyed it, as this video was highly requested, as I said in the beginning of this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos from me. And I hope you all have a great weekend. And I'm going to be also uploading a pack with me video of what I'll be packing for my holiday, which I'm going away next Wednesday to China. So I'm going to be filming that next, so make sure to turn your post notifications on, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out all my videos. And a big shout out to all my fans for being supportive. Holly, Alex, Philip, Renee, Paris, Bella, Jessie, Ashley, which is one of my fans from Christchurch, Chloe, Amber, and all my new fans. I can't remember all the names because it's a lot to remember, it's like over 20. And also Jess and Meg, I think, and all you guys, and Ariana. And I'll see you guys soon for a new video. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys soon. Bye. I will also be uploading another video after I've uploaded this, but see you guys next week for a new video. Until then, bye.